So today we are going to see this. It's a share. Okay. Practical session for MCA. The third practical today we are going to perform, and in that we will just the next one, that is the basic instructions, that is addition, subtraction. In that way only we are going to see that to get the concept clear, that is how to write and how the output we have to see through the Kill software. To get familiar with the Kill software, we are going to be continue today also. Before going to start quiz, I want to just take it. So I'll be ready with the your for poll. Few questions I have arranged for you. So just 2 minute time I will give it to you. So in that it is expecting that all the 33 participant has to give the answer, because as you know that I will not get your names and all that who has given what answer or chosen. So be ready. I am just going to launch this poll. So I hope you all can see the poll on your screen. So again, the simple few questions, but as a revision, just I have put over here. So all are requested to just give the answer. 30 seconds are over. No one has responded. Second, only one student has responded. 2. Only 4 student. So if any problem you are facing for such this poll and all about, so definitely freely you can just discuss with me and tell if something modification I supposed to do in this. The suggestions are always welcome. Okay, only 10 student has given the poll. What about remaining 20? Okay, last 20 seconds are there. I'm just going to stop the poll. Okay, I will stop the poll. So that means the remaining 6 students are not only the sake of attendance they have joined and they are not here. So let us find out this student. That work I will do. Okay, so the first question was 8051 is a dash dash bit microcontroller. I hope that this is the very basic and the start question. Already it was asked in the earlier poll, but still few student has given the wrong answer, and the correct answer for this, it is a 8-bit microcontroller. It is a 8-bit microcontroller. So after that, the second is question was asked that CPLC instruction type is dash dash. So CPLC means what? That first we should know, then only the which instruction types are there, the options are given. So from that, what it is been. So the correct answer is not here, but two answers probably the it may come in the exam, and both are the correct. That is, the first CPLC means complement carry. Complement carry means carry is only one bit, and that you have to just get it. Complement means reverse it has to be. So it may come in the Boolean type of the instruction, as well as the complement it is also coming in the logical instruction also. So if we have seen in yesterday's or the last session's PPT, so in that this type of same instruction, it was taken in the both, that is Boolean or logical, but it cannot be a arithmetic. So that care you supposed to just take for this one. So definitely with the practice only it will come to know that key which instruction is comes under which category. The third one I just put up here, that is set B C instruction. So it is set the bit, the long form for that, set the bit. Which bit? Again the carry bit. So this will be totally the Boolean instruction. Set B, that is only one bit it has to set, means make a 1. So it is a totally Boolean type of the instruction. It is not the arithmetic or it is not the logical. Got it? So just check out the last session PPT so that you will come to know that this type of the answers over there. Okay, so this is what the today's poll. Just I will just skip this one, and we will move towards the next one. That is what the practical for the a small program I have written for the addition. So as you can see in front of you the on the screen, that is the small program, 3-4 lines hardly it is for the addition. So what exactly it is doing, how it is doing, and what will happen if we change some values, or the coding, how we can edit and we can just check out the result. So that is the part of today's session. So as you can see in this particular slide, so first instruction is that the org 0000h. So what it tells that the program has been started and the origin is from the address 0000h. That is, it is just telling. Next instruction is move R0, hash 03h. So what it tells, transfer data 03 into R0 register. Transfer 03 data, which is hexadecimal, definitely as H is written over here. Transfer to the R0 register. But as I told yesterday, there are 4 register banks. Each register bank is having 8 registers, namely R0 to R7. So in which R0 this 03 will go? In which R0 this 03 will go? That is the question. I will give the answer to this one. So by that time, you just think on this one. By that time, we will go for the next instruction, next step. Move A, hash 05h. So what is the meaning of this instruction? Data 05 transfer to accumulator. To the accumulator. Next, add A, 00h. So what is the meaning of this? Can anyone want to share with me? Just unmute yourself and tell. Add A, 00h. या इन्स्ट्रक्शनचा अर्थ काय? If someone will give or respond to this, so I will be most happy person. It may be wrong, no issue, but at least you're supposed to try.
Add a value with 008.
But okay, anyone else?
Sir, add a value with 00h and then it's stored into an accumulator.
Okay, very good. Anyone else? The answer must be something a little bit different from the earlier these two answers. No one? Then I will.
Sir, 00h value stored in R0 register, then R0.
Okay. So you are just moving towards the correct meaning of this one, because here no hash is written in front of 00h. समजतंय का? पहिल्या ह्याच्यात हॅश लिहिलेलं, इथं हॅश लिहिलेलं नाही. म्हणजे 00h हे काय आहे? सो इट इज अ ऍड्रेस. इट इज अ ऍड्रेस. आणि त्या ऍड्रेसला जी व्हॅल्यू आहे, म्हणजे 00h ला जी व्हॅल्यू डेटा आहे, instead of just the general parameter using, I will use either address or data. तर 00h या ऍड्रेसला जो डेटा आहे, that will be get added to A and the result will be stored in A. असा ह्याचा मीनिंग आहे. तर मग आता म्हणणार की हे 00h आत्ता तर आलेलं आहे, 00h ला काय डेटा असणार आहे, कसं काय माहित असणार, आणि आपल्याला आन्सर कसं मिळणार? सो द आन्सर इज द फर्स्ट दिस स्टेटमेंट org00h. प्रोग्रामची सुरुवात कुठून आपण केलेली आहे? तर 00h पासून. आणि पहिली कमांड काय लिहिलेली आहे? मूव R0, #03h. हा जो R0 आहे, so for that I want to just share the memory mapping so that you will come to know that this is the what it is here. So I will just open that. So make a little bit zoom on your screen so that it will be clearly visible to you. I am also doing here, but for your sake. See, so this is what, just look at this. So this is nothing but in Excel, just I have transform the memory mapping of 8051. मग म्हणताल की हे काय आहे, तुम्ही नुसतं स्क्रोलिंग करत राहिलेलं आहे. सो द फर्स्ट पार्ट, that is this one. So this is the RAM locations in 8051. 8051 ची RAM किती आहे? So the answer is 128 बाईट. लक्षात ठेवा, खूप कन्फ्युजिंग आहे. 128 KB आपल्याला वाटते की अरे हा हे 128 KB असेल. इट इज ओनली 128 बाईट. आणि एक बाईट म्हणजे 8 बिट. So this concept always you supposed to remember as a electronics engineer. Okay, so how it is correlated with this diagram? Just check out here. तर R0, R1, R2, R3 up to R7. So they are related with bank 0. त्यांचे प्रत्येकाचे ऍड्रेस वेगवेगळे आहेत. त्यांचे प्रत्येकाचे ऍड्रेस वेगवेगळे आहेत. अँड द बँक 0 R0 रजिस्टरचा ऍड्रेस किती आहे? 00h. थोडंसं मोठं करतो, अरे मोठं केले ते होतं. तर दिस वन बँक 0चा R0 रजिस्टरचा ऍड्रेस किती आहे? तर 00h. तो बाय डिफॉल्ट तो परमनंट आहे, म्हणजे तो चेंज नाही होणार. बँक 1चा R0चा ऍड्रेस आहे 08h. दिस इज अ परमनंट अँड फिक्स्ड. आता थोडीस लिंक करून बघा आताचा जो प्रोग्राम आपण बघितला इन दिस. सो हाऊ टू कोरिलेट. ऍड a, 00h. 00h हा ऍड्रेस कोणाचा आहे तर R0 चा. आणि R0 मध्ये आपण काय मूव्ह केलेलं आहे 03h. म्हणजे इनडायरेक्टली व्हॉट इज इट मीन ऍड a, 00h. सो कॅन एनीवन now we'll try for this. कशाची आणि कशाची बेरीज होईल आणि कुठं आन्सर स्टोअर होईल.
सर आन्सर अक्युमुलेटर मध्ये स्टोअर होईल.
ओके, आन्सर अक्युमुलेटर मध्ये स्टोअर होणार. फाईन. पण ऍडिशन कोणाकोणाची होईल
3 and 5.
करेक्ट, 3 and 5. कारण ही जी इन्स्ट्रक्शन लिहिली 00h ह्या ऍड्रेसवर जो डेटा आहे. मग काय डेटा आहे तर 00h ऍड्रेस कोणाचा आहे R0 चा आहे. ते ह्याच्यात मी दाखवलं तुम्हाला. 00h हा ऍड्रेस आहे R0 चा. अँड दिस इज व्हाय द डेटा इज 03. 03 प्लस अक्युमुलेटरचं तर इथं कंटेंट आहे 05. सो 3 plus 5 it will gives the 8 and this 8 will be stored in A म्हणजे अक्युमुलेटर मध्ये. मग तुम्ही म्हणताल की अरे पहिले तर 5 स्टोअर होतं. हा, तर 5 will get vanished. 5 is now going to be vanished and now the content of accumulator will be the 8. So this is the end. So this is how this small type of program how to get understand and how we can write. So that is here. So in the same way how we can edit, how we can do if this will I will replace or I will change, what will happen. So in that way only we will see today. This is what only I want to just make a practice for you. So I will just so this memory description once again in the next session we will explain. So today we will just go for the particular. So I have written some of the codes so that the time will be get saved. So small programs are there. So let us see that the one by one, and you have to give the response definitely, and we will confirm also. How to confirm? By using this Kill software. So I will just open the Kill software over here. Okay, so the step is file new. So here you supposed to write the code first. Project already I have created. So yesterday we have seen that the LEDs are just blinking on off on off on off in that. So that is to be see over here. So right now the first program I want to introduce to you is this one. So I will just copy paste this code, simple code. So this is what I have written over here. So the next step is saving. Save the program. So while saving, so you have to give the name and dot extension. What we supposed to give? .asm. So here I will give try1.asm. Try1.asm. So just any name you can give and save it. Once it is giving going to be saved, you supposed to link with project. That is very important thing. So how to link? Click on source group 1, right click, add files to group. Add files to group. Click on that. So it is asking की कुठली फाईल तुम्हाला प्रोजेक्टशी मॅच करायची. तर फाईल ऑफ टाईप ऑल फाइल्स यू सपोज टू चूज आणि ह्या फाईलचं नाव द्यायचं. ह्या फाईलचं नाव आपण काय दिलं होतं? ट्राय. सो आय विल सर्च फॉर दॅट वन. हा, दिस इज try1.asm आणि एकदाच ऍड वर क्लिक करायचंय आणि तुम्हाला इथे दिसेल की try1.asm ही ऍड झालेली आहे. नाउ क्लोज दिस विंडो. Now close this window. So program.asm I will remove. So simply select it, right click it and remove it. Okay. Now it's a time for making the compilation. Before a run, we have to compile ki any syntax error is there or not. So let us see that. So in this output window, it is just linking and 0 error, 0 warning, it is showing. 0 error, 0 warning, it is showing. So make a now little bit zoom, or I will open this notepad only so that I can also make it zoom. Okay, so whatever the highlighted is program is there. So just concentrate there only. So the first statement is org00 means it is going to be initiated with the address 00h. Second statement is transfer the 03h to the R0. Now you will say की अरे आत्ताच आपण ते example बघितलं, we have discussed आणि परत तेच पण नाही. There is a little change in the statement. Just check out. Move a #05h, add a R0 and end. Okay, फक्त एवढ्यावर concentrate करा and try to put your logic and tell me what answer I will get. कशा कशाची ऍडिशन होईल आणि आउटपुट काय येईल आणि ते अक्युमुलेटर मध्ये स्टोअर होईल. Who will try? Out of 31 student. No one want to try? Go step by step. Just found whatever we received the logic and accordingly you're supposed to go, because this is the programming and we all are aware of the C programming. Similarly, this programming is also be the same. Output will be the same. Can I ask then randomly to anyone? If not understand, give frankly that I didn't understand this one. So I will explain once more, twice, no issue. Roll number 35.
Yes, sir.
So can you judge what may be the answer for this code?
8, sir.
So that is what I am expecting. Correct answer is there. Then why the students are not giving the response? Okay, I will just explain once again for the others. With this first instruction, 03 is transferred to R0. With second instruction, 05 is transferred to A. Third instruction, R0 is added with A. 03 plus 05, it is 8. And that is going to be stored in A. Simple. So let us see here. So how to check out over here? So as I told, for compilation, debug, start, stop. This the evaluation version comes. Don't bother about that. And after that, run the program. So here on the left hand side, you can observe R0, R1, R2, and all this. And below A, B, SP, SP max, DPTR, PC. So they are the system registers or inbuilt registers which are as we discussed. A and B, A म्हणजे तर accumulator, B also the system register. SP stands for the stack pointer. So DPTR म्हणजे data pointer. So PSW is also there below 1. So PSW म्हणजे काय सांगितलं तर प्रोग्राम स्टेटस वर्ड. तर कुठले कॅरी फ्लॅग किंवा काही जर कॅरी जर सेट झाला तर ते सेट करायसाठी हा PSW सुद्धा चेक केला जातो. So we will see over here. So all should give concentration in this. It's a very basic, but it is important. तर इथं P फ्लॅग आहे, F1 फ्लॅग आहे, OV that is overloaded फ्लॅग आहे, रिसेट फ्लॅग आहे, AC that is auxiliary carry आणि कॅरी असे फ्लॅग आहेत ह्या PSW मध्ये. सो इट विल अफेक्ट दिस प्रोग्राम. मी अजून रन केलेलं नाही, तर रन केल्यावर काय होतंय ते इथं बघा लेफ्ट हँड साइडला. नाउ आय एम जस्ट रनिंग दिस कोड अँड नाउ यू कॅन ऑब्झर्व हिअर की ही जे ब्ल्यू हायलाइटेड आहे, सो दे आर द चेंजेस. काय चेंजेस झालेले तो तर R0 मध्ये 03 गेलेला आहे, कारण आपण तसा कोड लिहिलेला आहे. आणि त्यानंतर A मध्ये 08 आलेलं आहे. डायरेक्टली कसं आलं तर ऑल दीज इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स हॅज बीन वर्कड आउट. 3 + 5, so the answer is the 8. So this 8 has came in this particular accumulator. Got it? Now we will change the values, and what will happen? Let us see. Now instead of 05, I will do 06H and save the program. Now can anyone will judge A ची व्हॅल्यू काय असेल? A ची व्हॅल्यू हा
9.
9 sir.
9. Very good, very good. Okay, once again I will change this value to 07 now.
10 sir.
Okay, very good. So let us see whether the answer is correct or any changes there. Okay, so I will start this debugging evaluation version, no issue, and I will run the program. And now you check that what is the answer it gives. So still it is giving the 08. Why it is? Because compilation is not done properly. So once again save, debug. This building is important. Now start, stop, and now I will run and just check out the values now. Those who have given the answer 10, is it really? No, the answer is 3 + 7 H is equal to A. Got it? Because in hex the replacement of 10 is A. So the correct answer is A. So that's why I asked you that key what may be the answer. Now once again I will change this to 0EH. 0EH. Now once again I will ask what will be the answer for this code. What will be the
14.
again the same thing is repeating madam की मागच्या वेळेस कसं 3 + 7 10 हे आन्सर नव्हतं, तर हेक्साडेसिमल आहेत हे नंबर, तर 3 + 7 A आन्सर आलं होतं. नाउ आय जस्ट चेंज द डेटा. R0 मध्ये 3 आहे आणि अक्युमुलेटर मध्ये E आहे, तर उत्तर काय येईल म्हणजे आफ्टर ऍडिशन. दॅट इज द सिम्पल क्वेश्चन. सो वन्स अगेन यू जस्ट try to give the correct answer. In chat box some are writing, no issue, chat box मध्ये पण लिहिलं तर मी बघतो इथे काय आन्सर येईल ह्याचं. Who will try? कारण खूप सोपा क्वेश्चन आहे पण then also it needs a little concentration. 03 plus 0e किती? 3 plus 9b म्हणजे काय? बायनरी नाही, बाईट नाही. I didn't get the answer this. 3 plus 9b. कॅन एनीवन? असू द्या, चुकीची उत्तर सुद्धा द्या, नो इश्यू. कारण चुकीतनच माणूस सुधारत असतो, त्याला बरोबर लक्षात राहत असतं. So here the addition of 03 and 0e will be done and the answer will last few seconds, otherwise I will run the program and the answer will be in front of you. Roll number 1.
Yes, sir.
काय असेल आन्सर?
नो आयडिया सर.
नो आयडिया, नो व्होडाफोन तसलं नाही म्हणायचं. चुकीचा आन्सर का होईना द्यायचं मॅडम. जस्ट इन्स्ट्रक्शन टू ऑल ऑफ यू. विचारलं की आन्सर द्यायचं. इथं काय तुमचा इंटरव्ह्यू नाही किंवा काय नाही, तुम्हाला जॉब मी काय देणार नाही. ह्याच्यातनंच आपल्याला शिकायचं आहे आणि ज्यावेळेस फायनल एक्झाम होईल त्यावेळेस यू हॅव टू बी मेड कॉन्फिडंट अबाउट युअर सेल्फ. नेक्स्ट रोल नंबर 40. सागर, आर यू देअर? सागर पाटील. '27 ऋतुजा. '27 ऋतुजा शेळके, आर यू देअर? तुम्ही नेटवर्क मध्ये दिसत नाहीत मॅडम, आवाज एकदमच. Yes, yes, madam. I got the attendance, but I want the exactly the answer for this question. So that's why Sagar Patil. Unmute yourself. Sagar Patil. Array, what is this? Okay. We will not waste the time. So in the chat box also you can write the answer. So unmute hot nahi he सांगण्यापेक्षा you can try your answers in the chat box itself. Okay. So the answer is here. You can see, observe, what is the answer come? 11. 11. सांगता येईल का कोणाला कसं आलं असेल? त्यासाठी मी एक एक्झाम्पल सुद्धा तुम्हाला माग दाखवलं होतं. इफ यू आर रिमेंबरिंग की 3e प्लस 1 किंवा 0 1 याचं उत्तर काय होतं? 3e प्लस 1 याचं उत्तर 3f. करेक्ट. तसंच 3e प्लस 2 याचा आन्सर काय? 3e प्लस 2. 3e नंतर असतं 3f. 3f नंतर असतं 40. कारण हेक्साडेसिमल आहे हे. f इज द लास्ट. मग 0 to f झालं की त्या f चा होता 0 आणि लेफ्ट साइडचा जो बिट आहे तो एक ना इन्क्रीमेंट होतो, म्हणजे 3E 3F आणि 40. मग 40 नंतर 41 42 43 4A 4B 4C 4D 4E 4F आणि त्यानंतर who will tell after
0.
50. Correct. So this is the what the hexadecimal addition or the increment is there. So accordingly, now can anyone try? कुठे गेले हे? कुठे गेली window? Here. हे 11 answer कसं आलं? Now you will get this one because 3E 0E मध्ये 3 ऍड करायचे आहेत, म्हणजे 0F 10 and 11. So this is how this 1 answer came. So this is very simple, but we supposed to give a little concentration. Now final now what I am doing now here, now I want everyone should give the correct answer. I will do here in R0 I put 0D. R0 मध्ये मी 0D ठेवलेला आहे, मी इथं करतो म्हणजे तुम्हाला दिसल, आणि इथं 0E. तर आन्सर किती येईल? 2 मिनिटाची वेळ, पटपट पटपट सांगायचं शेवटचं. And we will check here. If you are correct, so definitely I will note down your number, name, and that will be profitable in the future. How? That at the end I will tell. काय सांगितलेलं मी तुम्हाला? 0D आणि 0E यांची बेरीज किती होईल? 2 मिनिट वेळ आहे, बघून सांगा. तोपर्यंत मी हे डिबग करून ठेवतो. So I am in a position to run the program now. So in chat box, one answer I think someone has given. Okay, 2 answers I received. Fast, very good. Try. At the end, we will see the after running that give how much is the addition. 0D आणि 0E ची addition किती होते? Okay, so let us go for with this software and let us check who is correct. And I am just doing the run command and you will come to know 1B. So 1B is the correct answer. 1B is the correct answer. So a few student has given the same 1B answer. So they are very correct. Okay, so like this this small addition program is also we can have a little bit changes. So in next practical also we will do this on, we will get a expertise in this same regard. Okay, so today we will stop over here. Just I will conduct the attendance and you can put your number in the chat box and you can leave. I am just stop sharing here. Roll number 1.
Present, sir.
2 3 4. कोणी आहे का? 2 3 4 9 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 20 29 30 32, 34, 36, 38, 39, 41, 42, 43. 43 was there. Where he went? Don't know. 45 to 49. No one is there. So definitely madam is going to call them today. 45 to 49. No one is there. Okay, now you can put your attendance in the chat box and you can leave. Thank you. So only if anyone is eligible and want to come for a dose on 27, so please tell to me in WhatsApp. Thank you.